Purchasing is negotiating a 2-year mechanical services contract. The expected value is $1 million per year, but the contract language is complex, hard to interpret, and ambiguous in several key areas. Negotiations are concluded, and the contract is signed anyway. It joins the hundreds of other service contracts filed away in hundreds of gunmetal gray filing cabinets. Purchasing won't let maintenance see the contract. It's secret stuff. The contractor begins work and submits timesheets to maintenance, who has never seen the contract. Maintenance, turnaround, capital project guys throw their hands up in the air and resort to just signing timesheets and invoices. They're approving hundreds of thousands of dollars of contractor labor, equipment, and material with no idea if they're right or wrong. MCI software holds contract terms and rates without anyone needing a copy of the contract. Your managers can focus on the work. We take care of the paperwork.